The mock-ups of two next-generation fighter jets have been revealed for the first time at the ongoing Paris Air Show 2019. The Turkish Aerospace has showcased a full-scale mock-up of its TFX fifth-generation fighter jet, and the first aircraft will fly by 2025 and will enter service by 2028. And the TFX has already been offered to Pakistan, which is currently evaluating between Chinese J-31 and Turkish TFX 5th generation program. While on the other hand, the French, German, Spanish team showcased a scale model of new generation fighter, which will replace the Rafale fighter jet and the Eurofighter Typhoon in the near future. The new generation fighter will remain in technology demonstrator phase till 2025, and it will incorporate highly advanced stealth technologies, and will be above any current fifth-generation fighter jets like F-35. New generation fighter is likely to enter production phase from 2032, and it is likely to be offered to India to get an export customer, after UK proposed its Tempest 6th generation stealth fighter to India. According to latest reports, the Aeronautical Development Agency and the Indian Air Force have also teamed up for the design and development of the medium-weight fighter, which is expected to enter production from 2025 onwards, and it will be a technological leap from the Tejas Mark 1A, and will replace more than 120 MiG-29 and Mirage 2000 fighter jets. The Indian Air Force has an initial requirement of 201 medium-weight fighter jets, but the order has been scaled down to 100 fighter jets to allow the Indian Air Force to place orders for 83 Tejas Mark 1A variant. The Aeronautical Development Agency will later introduce an upgraded medium-weight fighter infused with AMCA technology to develop a second variant of the fighter jet. According to latest reports, the Indian Army's procurement process of 5,700 sniper rifles at an estimated cost of 982 crore rupees have hit a glitch. 20 manufacturers have replied to the Indian Army's request for information that was floated in 2018, but none of them manufacture the ammunition. The absence of ammunition manufacturing capacity is seen as a major drawback, because the Army was looking to secure technology transfer of ammunition for the seamless operation of the rifles in the long run. The Army is now looking to scrap the request for information, and might start a fresh search for the rifles, or it might include floating two separate requests for information for procuring sniper rifles and the other for ammunition, or the existing request for information could be changed, and the interested firms should manufacture the ammunition as well, and also subsequently transfer the technology to India. India is in the process of acquiring the NASAMS-2 from the US, and two locations in Rajasthan will be the epicenters for launching the NASAMS-2, which will be used to create the ambitious multi-layered shield over the national capital. The two locations will soon gain strategic importance, as they have been strategically selected by the DRDO for setting up the radar systems. The DRDO will put a mixture of air defense systems, which will be able to counter incoming projectiles both within the Earth's atmosphere and outside the atmosphere. The Joint Secretary of the Defense Infrastructure Panel has said that the government will be launching an open general export license scheme within a month, which will be aimed to boost defense exports. He also said that the industry will be able to access international market and make the products more competitive through the new license, and the entire process of taking permission from the government will also be further reduced. He also stressed that the Indian defense exporters should diversify the product line to be internationally competitive.